Make sure you after you attack, you guard. Or have different exits. Nice, yeah, yes, and you go, yeah. Nice. Oh, nice. 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 Mix it up now. Yeah. Little nail, yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Let's get it right. Oh, nice. Oh, juicy. Oh. Oh, Francisco tripod. Yep. Get your butt in the air. Stand on your legs. Yep. Get off your knees. Yep. There we go. Tripod, tripod, tripod. Yep. Tripod, tripod. And then fight the hand. Fight the hand. Keep the right hand. Fight his right hand. Yep. Fight the hand. Take up the grip. Yeah. Exactly. And come up. Tripod, tripod. There you go. Good job. You escaped it. Good job. Now you're on top. Francisco, you can punch him. Make sure your posture. Sit down on your butt. And then, yeah, and then punch. And don't have to, yeah, K guard, yeah, nice, nice K guard. Okay, nice camel. Okay, so now what you need to do is fight the hand and get your head up. Yep, there we go. Now you have to get the underhook. Good job, Francisco. What up, Uchimata? Good job. Oh, nice. Yep, nice. Yep, make sure you grab his leg, Francisco. You can grab his leg. Or fight the hands too. Fight the hands. Fight the hands. Yeah, fight the hands. Fight the grip. Hand grips. Yeah, fight the hand grips. And putting an anaconda roll. Oh, yeah, roll to your left. Yeah, collapses physical. Yeah, good. Yeah, good job. Just come on top. Yeah, posture up. Nice. And Paul, use your head too to get inside position. Yeah, underneath them. Yeah, underneath. Woo! Well defended, man. Yeah. Now, like, hey, Paul, you got this.